Hi everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. On Friday, the February the 12th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus. Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And of course, there is in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus, but first we will solve these two. Oh, these two Sudokus. And this will be number 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be here. This was a column. Yes, 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between, only place for the 4 should be here. Yes. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. And now 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Then 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 8 should be here. And then 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the row above the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. All right. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 6, number 2. And now I can continue with the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 7, number 3. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, only place for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 8, number 9, so one digit left should be the number 7. So this box, one missing number, 7. One missing number in this big square, number 7. One missing number in this big square, number 7. One missing number in this big square for the number 7. One missing number in this big square for the number 7. Finish in 10 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this Light Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a heavy Sudoku. How heavy? I don't know. We will see. We will see. See you later. Bye bye for now.